Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rafael Castro. I'm from Mexico and I'm here taking the second level course with the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. And I wanted to tell you what inspired me the most about taking the level 2 course from level 1 is that everything you learn is really good. You get the best pointers from the best doctors and their experience is invaluable. So that's what inspired me to get better. The best and most valuable insights I gotten from the second level course is all the experience the doctors have. Dr. Mikkel Akel and Dr. John Kim, they've been practicing aesthetics for a long time. So their experience is the most valuable insight you'll ever get. So with people like Dr. Mikkel Akel and Dr. John Kim, you will not only get the best tips for the best results, but also to make your practice more safe. So I want to make an invite to everyone who's interested in the best aesthetic practice to come and join us for level 1, level 2, and level 3 course.